Launching the analysis of work. You're a teacher, you have collected your students' homework, and you want to launch the analysis of their work? Let's see together how the analysis of suspicious passages works in the Compilatio Magister and Magister Plus software. For each document, you obtain several pieces of information, including the title of the document, the submission date, and the name of the submitter. To obtain more details or adjust the information, you can click on More Info. To save time or adapt your actions, you can perform grouped or individual operations on your files, for example, move them, download analysis documents, or delete them. Going further in the configuration of your folder, near the title of your folder, the settings gear gives you the possibility to edit the folder, delete it, and analyze all the files present in the folder with a single click. To refine the settings according to your preferences, you can click on Edit Folder. You then have the possibility to review the properties defined when creating your folder, select the homework collection options, and specify the notifications you want to receive. When you launch an analysis, the documents enter a queue before being processed. Once the process starts, a progress gauge is displayed to monitor its progress. You do not need to stay logged into your account during processing, as this takes place on Compilatio servers. For example, you can launch your analyses in the evening and view the results the next morning. The analysis time generally varies between 2 and 5 minutes, depending on the size of the document, the complexity of the elements to be detected, and the number of users accessing the software simultaneously. The analysis is considered complete when the main information appears, the score of suspicious texts, and their locations. Be careful, a high percentage of suspicious texts does not necessarily mean that there has been an attempt at fraud. Rather, it requires a thorough analysis to determine whether it is indeed plagiarism. For example, when evaluating a law thesis, the software can identify a large amount of similarities, probably excerpts from laws. If these texts are correctly referenced, they can be manually excluded from the overall score. On the other hand, a percentage of suspicious texts below 10% may be enough to reveal an excessive amount of similarities. In general, the level of requirement depends on the type of document analyzed, the subject, and the policy of the institution. The 3 icons symbolize the detection of similarities, unrecognized languages, and texts potentially generated by AI. If one of them is colored, it means that a suspicious text has been detected in the corresponding category. Conversely, if one of them is gray, it means that the software has not detected any suspicious text in this category. By placing your mouse over these icons, you get more information. It is possible that the 3 icons are all colored or all gray. AI detection is only available for Compilatio Magister Plus. To access the full information of the result, click on the Report button. You have now discovered how to correctly launch the analysis of work in Compilatio Magister and Magister Plus. Continue to explore other tools of the software in video. Este video ha sido presentado por Mi Avatar, realizado con la ayuda de una inteligencia artificial.